Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into your Fifth Third bank account online. If you'd like to log into your bank account on Fifth Third Bank, since you would like to access to your transaction online, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser first. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.53.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Fifth Third Bank. Now from the official website, if you don't have an account yet, you can click on Open an Account button right here in the middle of the screen. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to sign up for a new account. Once you have an account, to log into your account, you can click on this login button in green at the top right, which should bring out an expanded menu. Select your banking type from the drop down and give it a click. Now head over to the first text box that you see where you can type in your username. Type in the correct username. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on the save right beside it and the system will remember your user ID. Next time you log into your account, you won't have to type it in again. Now head over to the password text field and type in your password. In case you've forgotten your user ID, you can click on this Forgot User ID link right beneath the login button. Similarly, for your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done typing in all the information correct, click on the login button, wait for a few seconds, and you'll be logged into your Fifth Third bank account online in no time. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.